Respected speakers of today's webinar, dignitaries, and delegates of today's session, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to everyone. Today we have gathered virtually for the webinar on challenges of job market in the post-COVID-19 world, hosted by Department of BCA, KLE Societies Degree College, Nagarbavi. Before proceeding further, I would like to share a few words about KLE Society and our department. Karnataka Lingayat Education Society, started in 1916, occupies a very special niche in the field of education, has now grown into a large institution that encompasses an autonomous university and over 270 institutions spread across the country and outside, with over 16,000 employees working to cater the needs of more than 1,25,000 students. The collaborations with universities in the US, the UK, and Malaysia have added a whole new dimension to the KLE Society, making it on par with the reputed educational institution worldwide. The Department of Bachelor of Computer Application was started at KLE Society's Degree College, Nagarbavi in 2017 with a mission to provide high-quality computer education to the students. The institution grooms its students to excel as further ITians. We have plenty of learning opportunities for our students. We are associated with ICT Academy, UiPath, Oracle, Palo Alto, AWS Academy, Micro Focus, and Salesforce. Today, we are hosting our second webinar of Cloud Arena Webinar Series 2. The speakers of today's webinar are Mr. Prakash B. and Mr. M. Manjunath, industry expert with 10 years of rich experience in HR and recruitment, and Mr. M. Manjunath holds an expertise of 8 years in HR and recruitment. So welcome you, sir.
Yeah.
Now I request sir to present his talk. Over to you, sir.
Right. First thing is good morning to all. Right. So here we have many Java aspirants, students. Right. So first of all, I would thank to the management of KLE College for giving this opportunity to talk to the students, to guide them, to motivate them, to tell them what are the job market conditions going on, what the skills or what is it they required in future, which will help them today or tomorrow to come up in their career. So we'll be talking about those things. After this, we'll have a question and answer session where each and every of the students will get an opportunity to ask the student, ask any questions related to any of their requirement, or they want to know about their job market or extra skills required or anything. You guys, whatever questions you have, you can ask us. I and Manjunath both are available today on the webinar to answer your questions. This is 100% today or tomorrow will help to develop your career. Fine. So Manjunath is online.
Yes.
So Manjunath will start the session. Later on, I will continue the session. I will update you on the complete study.
Very good morning to all the dignitaries as well as my student friends. This is Manjunath Raj, as all of you know. I'm coming from a very powerful place from Muddenahalli, which Moksha Gudam Sir M. Vishweshwaraya was born and brought up in Muddenahalli. It's a temple for all the engineers. And he was the first person who got awarded as Bharata Ratna in Karnataka. Even I'm very proud, even I belongs to the same village. Even my grandfather, when he was there, like Saram B used to give 10 rupees for his education purpose. Because of his motivation, because of his path, even I am there in this position. Even I am basically a science student, which I have chosen like my MSc in zoology, but I have a passion towards the HR industry. So from past 9+ of years, even me and Prakash, we have done a lot of job medas across Karnataka with a lot of ministers like ex-PM Devegowda sir, Roshan Beg sir, CT Ravi sir, and recently we've done a job mela with Soma Shekhar sir. He is a present minister in BJP government and Yeshwantpur constituency in Bapu Degree College. Somewhere more than 3,000 plus candidates have been shortlisted on the spot, and we have issued all the offer letters on the spot. This was a record, and even we have made a record within last year in our organization itself. Somewhere we recruited somewhere 12,000 employees for entire pan India within a span of 3 months, which was the biggest record which was not done from any one of the employees before they're working in the organization. Like I'd like to take like only 10 or 15 minutes of time because we don't have much time to spend about all these things. Even a two-way interaction should happen. First thing, I'd like to begin my session with a very positive things. See, like everyone knows about their capabilities as well as strength. Even I was a fresher, even I was not knowing anything about our industry. Even like someone has been identified my skills as well as possibilities. So because of that reason only, even I'm there in this position as an HR manager. See, even Bill Gates is not a graduate; he's an undergraduate. The one thing which I want to convey in sense, see, for example, if you have a good aggregate or if you have a good knowledge about whatever you're doing, you should not think like, no, I know all the things, I will be master, I'll be able to settle down in the industry. See, main important is skills is very important nowadays. Without having skills, you never come up in your life. Whatever it might be, whichever industry you might go. For example, you people are BCA students. Maximum people, you people are coming from the mathematics as well as like computer science background. See, if I'm asking like what is the abbreviation of BADMAS? See, none of the people can answer. I can challenge because see, BADMAS is a brackets of selections, division, multiplication, and subtraction. I would like to convey in this session a lot of abbreviations is very important. See, before COVID and post COVID, what is the differentiation which has made to the industry? That is very important. See, before COVID, like we used to have like normal traditional type of interviews, and nowadays the thing is it has been changed for a smart job search. Where in sense like like couple of days back we used to face an interview only for face to face. Now like we are facing through a like virtual type of interviews. Previous before COVID we are there in the situation of 1x. Now we are there in the present situation of 10x. You should have to improve your skills a lot more. And hello, hello, hello. Some disturbance is coming. Someone has noted.
Yes, sir. We will mute
Hello.
everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can
we
I go
muted.
ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry for the corruption, student first as well as degree. See, like when previously I used to discover like a traditional job search, nowadays a smart jobs is available, and more of the opportunities very less, and more of demand chain is very less, and supply chain is becoming more and more. See, before like few days back we were there in one. Now the technology has been changed to be adapting our skills up to 10x level. See, abbreviation is very important. For example, what is the full form abbreviation of HTML? People will only follow of computer science, but none of people are not knowing of like who is a mother of computer application, and even the people ask who is the father of digital computer. And as I said, people who are coming from mathematics background and all, like general also is very important. See, for example, when we ask you questions about our national anthem or national song, how many seconds sung our national, or who is which is a national. And see, this general G is also very important. Apart from that, skills is important. Mainly the candidates who focus on the coding language like C, C++ or Python or like PHP or like Core Java or .NET. Additionals is very important without doing any additional course, without having valuable added course won't be able to do. And one more, information management we call it. People are equal to engineers as you complete your graduation. Even the designation will be engineer level itself. So I like to hello. Yeah, I would like to like give more importance for your programming language, software development, as well as whatever the additional thing is there. Nowadays, it has been changed. See, three things I would like to convey in this session. See, as Abdul Kader said, like, you should have to continuously acquire knowledge. Second one is you should do hard. And third one is perseverance is very important. If you want to come up in your life. As I said, me and Prash, we never came from a very rich family, or we never came from a great universities. We both started our career in the field itself. Even the Prash was a per. I used to distribute the layers like I was in the stage, I was thinking about HR ethics and all. See, like that thing I'm thinking is all the students don't like deal whatever the position are there. Even because of this, one point I would like to convey, like even British people said one word. Indians are not born to rule, they will be ruled. Why? Because in some leaders will always think about the solutions. Only force will think about a problem. So I would like to say all the students, be a leader, be a trendsetter, don't follow the trend. You create your own passion. For example, whatever the passion you have, don't work for like someone's sake or someone's more sake. Create your own passion, create your trend, work on it, and more like now the pandemic is there, even everywhere, like every opportunities, we should have to create an opportunity. No one will go house, no one will guide, or no one will motivate. Even Sir Vishwesh sir, even he walked from 55 kilometers from Muddenahalli to Bangalore for paying a fee somewhere like 45 rupees. He was not there. Even see, even when we think of all this criteria, we are the lucky people in these world. Even we got all the technology, we all the things we like we can't afford nowadays. It is all the things there. So I'd like to call all the students. This is a very wonderful session. You can ask any number of questions, either queries to face the interview or what are the IDs courses you required. So I like to interact more and more with students because see, because even I can speak for more than 1 hour, 2 hours, that doesn't matter. When I got an international award, I got more, somewhere like 50 plus awards for across Pan India as well as across Karnataka as well as Andhra Pradesh. I'd like to have a two conversations, so it will be a healthier. Even Prakash should to have a word somewhere like 10 minutes. After that, will interaction start. In the interaction, this is a very worthful. Even I'd like to thank all the dignitaries as well as faculty, Jay Kumar or Pri to giving us an opportunity to explore our knowledge as well as thoughts in these sessions. So I'd like to make use of all these sessions in a worthful as well as in a simpler guess. Prakash, you can go ahead and you can have a word for another 10 minutes. So start with the question. That will be a healthier session, I think, Prakash.
Right, Manjunath. Thanks, Manjunath. So, guys, I would give you a few things. I would tell you a few things. This is very important. You guys have to note down, right? Because these are the things which you will face after your college. Wherever you go for your interviews, what an HR wants, what an HR looks, what you guys have to prepare is what I would guide. Fine. So basically, see, in your life, any student life, there will be many students looking out for an opportunities after their college or now. Or there are people who are already working, studying. They would also looking for a change in current COVID market, right? So there are many aspects for this. But whenever you guys you get companies to your campus, right? Or any you're going for an interview to any company, right? So you in a point of a candidate, in a mind of a candidate, there will be always two extremes of life, right? One is the negative point and the one is the positive, right? The negative, basically the student, right? Once you decide that yes, this company HR has come, they will make me wait or make us wait for 4 hours. I'm not confident enough. My skills are very less. I'll not get selected. So this thinking will almost kill you guys, right? So you avoid this. One thing. One more is you will find overconfident people. For example, I'll tell you, see, a person, he will think that yes, this company has come, I will 100% get selected, need not to worry. So I'll get selected. Continuously making him think that he'll get selected will create a fiery world in his case. Basically, he'll start thinking that yes, after I get selected, I should have a good bank balance. I should buy a bike. I should have a property, right? So this once it comes inside you, right? So automatically you will start losing your confidence, right? So other set of students where we select or where we require, right? So basically, you need to do is have patience. One thing, right? One more thing is, see, whenever you get a company, you need to go through their company website. You need to go through the JD which they are giving, right? When you go through this, right, and you will get 100% confidence, right? Then you go and sit and tell that yes, I have prepared 100% of this product. I prepared 100% of their company website, so I know what is the JD about. So I can face it. That 100% is what each and everyone looks out for. So when you have that 100% inside you, that you are 100% loyal and you studied, that is called secondary data, right? So you need to prepare on that. When you prepare on the company website on your JD, so 100% you will get confident. So that is what, when you go, that confidence will show on your face to the HR, that yes sir, I know what is the company into, what is my JD is into, and what new things is the company planning to, right? So I want to get into this team where the new product is getting launched. I want to be a part of that, right? When you study this, you will have an basic idea for this. Once, because this is a foundation. Once your foundation is strong, that is more important. Because today you get selected, good, right? Because you have given your 100% on your interview itself. So 100% on your work would automatically. When you do that, right? You need to, important is, do something. That is very important. Like I and Manjunath have done many things, right? See, I have created records in my previous company. Wherever we have joined, we have done volume hiring, right? The previous company, in a single day, we have released 114 offers. And a monthly, we have released more than 800 offers, right? And we have got awards from our CEO of the company for doing this, right? So you need to create a record. You need to create a milestone. When you do that, right, automatically you will start getting records from the top level or the normal level, right? So this is what important. Though you get rejected in that interview, do not worry, because your confidence, that your passion or your loyalty 100% is there. That yes, I went for an interview with 100% studying the company, so I wanted to give 100%. If I have lost that, or the company, that is, I'm not losing it. The company is losing it, right? You need to think like that, because though you get selected, you join, or after a year you leave the company also, right? That confidence and that loyalty in you, right, would have made you a foundation. Next time, whenever you go for an interview after that, you can face the HR easily. Tell him same thing. They don't give me a salary for a month. You can see my work and then start my profile, right? So that confidence is what is very important. You guys have to study on primary data or secondary data whenever you go for interviews, right? Because there are a lot of incidents, right? I'll give you many examples. There are many things. You guys will be knowing Sundar Pichai, right? The person who is the CEO of the Google company, current CEO. He is a proud Indian, you can tell me, right? This person is basically from Madras, right? He has done many things. He went into different studies, landed to different. He had two jobs. He left that. Later he joined Google. Then he started getting into the other sessions. He has done many things. You can tell many things about him. He has started Google Chrome, the Google Maps you can take, the Google Drive, Gmail, and the Android, right? So these are very important. When he can do it, like same thing. See, it's not only I'm talking about the successful people. Once you start accepting the failures are very important in life. If you can hold your failures, you can hold your success very easily. This is what I would tell you. So see, I am a person. I have lost my dad at this very small age, around 5 to 6. I had 5 sisters, one brother, right? So I was a newspaper boy. I I used to put newspapers, milk in the houses, right? That was my first job. That was my non-professional first job, which I did at the age of very small. I was around 7, 8. I started that, right? Then I did my schooling. Same thing. I used to go to hardware shop and contribute to my studies. I used to not ask anything to my parents, my mom, or anything. Right? After that, I started my professional career. Right? So I used to do same thing. Morning the college and the evening the professional BPO call centers. This is how I finished my 5 years experience with the graduation degree. Right? So the important is that yes, you have to do something. This is what is important to do. Right? You guys have everything. Right? We didn't get this opportunity. When I started my first professional career as a first BPO call center, my salary was 3,000 rupees. Right? Now it is completely changed. You have so many options. You are getting college support, you have the webinars, you are getting a lot of guidance, you have a lot of skills now. This time, if you are making an opportunity creation, right, at this situation, you can handle any situation. Right? This is what I would guide you. Fine. See, I will tell you a small example, which you will see is very in this state, we have one incident which is related to Abdul Kalam, sir, right? So basically, when Abdul Kalam sir in 1979, right, his boss, basically Sawant sir, Satish Sawant was the chairman at that time, right? So he had given the project to Abdul Kalam sir and team to create a rocket, right, for the space purpose, right? So he had created the 5 years the incident took, right? They launched that rocket. Everything was fine, right? At 3 minutes, 8 seconds, Abdul Kalam sir handed over to the system, the computer. Go for a computer launch, right? So at 3 minutes, 4 seconds, the computer goes don't launch because there is a problem in the rocket. It will not be able to handle it, right? So then the experienced people who have ever were there, who are working from 10 years, 15 years into the same team, told that no, sir, you can launch. We have a good experience. We know about this. So the backup is good. I think it can be done. You can go ahead and launch. Then they switched off the system and they launched manually. The first stage was successful. The second stage was successful, but the third stage was unsuccessful. Instead of going to the space, it was to Bay of Bengal, ocean, right, and crashed, right. So news, media, and others, they had a conference. It was tomorrow morning where Abdul Kalam sir and the team had to go and take a conference. This, when news media, there are a lot of questions, right? So they will tell 20 crore rupees. How can you put up in ocean? Government fund, right? So these kind of questions always there. At that time, the leader, who is basically Satish Sawant sir, called Abdul Kalam sir, told simple things. Tomorrow, I will go there to the conference and guide everyone, tell everyone, right? So you just stand behind me, right? Don't tell anything. I will speak to them. I will take care of everything, right? He went there. He proudly told that, yes, my team couldn't do this. We were a failure. But yes, after a year or 2 years, we will be back and my team will definitely grow. I We will work on it. We will work on different skills. We'll definitely do it. And guys, after a year on the stage, right? They launched. They launched that same thing. Again, it went to the computer. Don't be afraid that no, my skills are less, my confidence is less, I may not get selected. I am saying I don't have skills, my parents have financial issues. Nothing like that. Nothing is possible. It is you who is making this possible, right? So for that, very important thing is you need to prepare. Currently, at the situation, since you have a lot of support from your colleges, you can take many. There are lots of programs going on with your colleges, right? You have your skills. You can work on your skills, or you can work on the other skills, digital marketing, which is now going on very fast. You can use digital marketing. Sitting at home, you can earn. But there are a lot of free courses going on. If the college wants also, I can recommend them a lot of NGOs who are ready to come and train the students to virtually, where they can take the training, certificates can be given, right? So this will help you out, guys. Got it? So I will ask you a few questions. After that, I will also guide you on a few other things on your job market. Fine. So currently, right, the current market, which we are calling it COVID, the pandemic, right? So here, though we have this, right, the opportunities have not stopped. Yes, the market or the job market is lower a little, right? But the market is opening slowly, right? In next 2-3 months, we will find that the market will open back. Currently, the profiles are going on. Few hirings have started. Few hirings are yet to start, right? So the options are available. Only the concern is when you have few extra skills today or tomorrow, this will definitely help you. Not today, not tomorrow, but 100%. Today or tomorrow, in your future, in your any of your jobs, which you don't know where you will be joining, will definitely help, right? So you can work when you have the time, current market, right? So here, though the market is low down, right? There are a lot of companies, the other big companies, like you have health sector, which is booming in, manufacturing sector, the e-commerce sector. Amazon has hired 55,000 people, right? So they have those openings now. You have Wistron, Apple manufacturing company from China shifted. China companies, they are closed and shifted to India, where the opportunities are getting increased day by day. So it's just 3 units have already started, 2 in Karnataka, 1 in Chennai, right? So this already has 20,000 vacancies for the ITI diploma, and the other Microsoft also has started for the IT students, right? The opportunities are already coming up. So you need not to worry, since the Prime Minister also told that they are already working on 3 vaccines which are getting soon launched. Once it comes, the situation will be now, right? If you are coming out of this, because there are so many things. I have my grandmother who is 120 age, she still survives. She also told me same thing, that we also had this a called Spanish flu at that time before 100 years, right? So it is not like that it completely closed down. It still works, right? So we have come up, we have boomed up, developed countries, right? After that, so this thing, so it will be coming back, right? So this is what I would tell you. So comes to the other sessions, you guys ask me a few questions. Then I will give you a few other examples which will help you in your self boosting your career. Fine. So I want the students to ask you questions related to their careers or anything. You can ask it. We will guide you on that. After that, I will also continue with few other stories, which is very important. Whatever you guys have, you can develop. You can develop your skills with that, right? So I would recommend the placement officers to ask the students to ask me the questions to me and Manjunath so that we can speak to them. Students, please ask me the questions. Priya, Aishwarya, Amita Shetty, Anusha, Archana Das. I want this to be a two-way communication. So guys, please ask the question.
Guys, any questions you can ask, any queries about the industry or about your courses, anything, please feel free to approach. This is a workful session. Even we have several 15 or 20 minutes to finish off, I think.
Okay, participants can post your questions in the chat box.
Yeah, you can well do that. We will also see the charts and we'll be able to answer you that if you're not able to.
Okay, sir.
Guys, please, or else we will continue with the session. I want questions from you.
Guys, this session should be a two-way interaction session. There is not a like session which we like only one side speakers will go on saying. That should not happen. You should have to sort it out all your queries in this session. Any questions,
so
guys? Any questions? You can just start also. We would like to.
Right. Yeah, on our YouTube live, I can see Vandana Rana is very active. Why don't Vandana ask questions? You can ask questions. Adil, you have. Ravi, you have. Please go ahead. You guys can ask this question. Guys, ask us the questions or we'll be able to continue.
I'd like to request Priya to assist in this, or I required your information in this, Priya.
Sure, sir. I will check the questions. Anyone posts it, then I'll read it out for you.
Please go ahead with that. Meanwhile, see, I will also tell you a small story, right? Until we get few questions, I will tell you a small, very meaningful story, right? So you will be knowing Stephen Hawking, right? The person who is known as the big scientist, right? So who has created the black hole, who told about the universe, existence of universe, right? About his effect, right? It's small, very meaningful, right? Stephen Hawking was one of the laziest students, to be frank. If you guys go through his career, or you will go to his throws, right? He's one of the laziest persons, right? He did his graduation, post graduation. After that, also he continued his education, right? When he was doing that post graduation education, right? At that time, he had found a disease symptom. When he had diagnosis, doctor had told him that the brain loses his muscle power each and every day, so he will not be able to stay alive, right? right? He has very less period of time in his life, which is like 2 years or 3 years, not more than that, right? You know, these 2 years, what it is, right? These 2 years, he worked on more and more on his brain, right? You cannot imagine he got married, he worked on it, he became a big scientist, right? He survived for 55 years because he believed in himself. But yes, whatever I have 2 years, I want to do something. That 2 years made him to do 3 years. That 3 years made him to do the other years. That yes, I've done this, let me go do this. Whatever time I have, what is God is gifted me, let me do that. You know, he survived to 55 years. Imagine. So the doctor told him, you did something. The same thing. You guys think that you don't have anything. No. You guys have everything. Whatever you guys have, if you're able to, right? You're able to utilize this opportunity. So you can think. Because there are a lot of people who don't have these opportunities. Like you guys have. So you can find a lot of government colleges, right? Where I am Manju, go and motivate them, speak to them, right? So we try giving them opportunities as much as possible. If you guys have opportunities, why don't you create opportunities, right? The same thing like this, right? So see, there are a lot of people who went from India, taking India to work, right? Currently, you can tell Google Pichai sir, or in the past, you can tell Vivekananda sir. You know, Vivekananda sir, when he had received the invitation from Chicago, right, for going ahead and giving a speech in Chicago conference, the biggest conference, right? So that time, a small story which happens between him and his mother, right? It's very beautiful, right? So at that time, he goes to his mother, takes blessing. Mother, can I go? Am I grown that knowledge that I can go to the world and tell them, right? Am I have that knowledge, right? So mother says, okay. Mother says simple, son, Narendra, his name was Narendra Vivekananda. Basically, so he says, Narendra, go get me that knife, right? So Vivekananda sir, go get the knife and hands it to mother, right? Mother says, Narendra, you are fast. You can go ahead and go to the conference and tell the world what these are. You have acquired enough of money. Then the Narendra asked, how mother, you didn't take me any test, any exams or any oral. How did you pass? Right? So basically at that time mother told him, in a small thing which I told you to get a knife, right? You hold it the sharp side, you gave the other side to me. When you're thinking good about others in a small work, right? Which you did now, then you can do anything in the world, right? Because you will not have any other grief, any other thing in this work. So this instance made him motivate. After that, there are a lot of incidents which happen in Chicago, so you guys can go through that, right? So I want the question and answers so it will be helpful for you guys to understand, to clear your mindset. What are the questions so that we can help you out with this? So guys, please ask me the question.
Guys, here one thing I would like to Guys, one thing I would like to update, like, see, like you do, instead of sitting in a house, you can practice for the additional courses, as I said. See, abbreviations is very important, guys. Nowadays, without abbreviations, as I said, BODMOS or HTML, either Python, like, see, Python, the people who are doing the Python, it will be very helpful for the web developer and all. And programming language, like apart from C, C++, you can do for like importance for core Java, as well as .NET also is a very useful course, where instance like a lot of opportunities will get. So if you can do these courses, like institutes are there, like somewhere like ABC Institute is also one of the fine institute, I think. So you can focus on additional course nowadays, because without having additional course, value added course, people will not give much preference, as I said, and go through with all the abbreviations which will come across with your syllabus. And see, I would like to have a like general knowledge also is very important, guys. Without having a general knowledge, without having a skill factor, there is no use. See, like interaction is not coming. I think some
Manju, I think one
person
question
is
has
asking
come.
a question, sir, I'm doing HTML, CSS. It will, yeah, obviously HTML. Apart from HTML, you can concentrate on management, information management also. So it will be very helpful. I would like to convey in this session. And apart from that, see, like wherever you go, stability issue is very important. At least you should have to work for a year. So you should have to learn a lot of things. Even today I'm a learner. For learning, there is no age. As I said, you should have to learn a lot of things as well as you should have to practice. See, yesterday is an experience, today is an experiment, tomorrow is an expectation. So if we want to do all these things, this experience also is very important. We should have to experiment for life. A negative mind will never give you a positive life, we say. Like, that is the reason you should have to be patient, be open, as well as you should be confident in this, whatever a pandemic situation it might be. Pandemic will go and come, but opportunities are there, as Prakash said. Even the opportunities, you should have to utilize the opportunities in a right path. And I'm not expecting any questions. I think you people doesn't have any questions. I'm not able to understand, guys. Priya, can you please intervene and check it out?
Sure, sir. We have a question here, sir. I
Yeah.
am doing HTML and CSS from Udemy. Will it help to get job?
Yeah, obviously it will help. Apart from HTML, like you should to focus on additional course like Python or .NET or like Core Java. That is a very
HTML add
useful
a
course.
extra skill.
If you can do that course, if you can do that course, that will be helpful. And more or abbreviations, as I said, like people will only prepare for mathematics is not only about like this thing. As I said, like, people were not aware. Some of the people are not aware of BODMAS. See, like anyone can chat also. You can check it out. BODMAS. See, you people never like got all these questions in your mind immediately. Even like, see, if I ask the questions of for BCom student, which is a financial capital of India, none of the people are not aware. Even if I ask like who wrote, which is a national song, who wrote a national song. See, apart from like your computer knowledge also, like skills, general knowledge, GK also is very important. And concentrate more on more. Excel VBA course also is very important. Visual Basic Application, we call it, it's a coding language. Focus more and more about coding language also. Coding language also is well pure. And any questions, Priya? Any questions apart from that?
Fine. See, I will guide you very easy answer for this. Fine. So basically the question for right, so Sushmita basically asked, right, on this I will tell you. I'm sorry, Angelique, to basically send this question, right? Basically, Angelique, you need to target what company you will get in or what profile you will get in. When you're doing that, when you go through to LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn is one of the easiest platforms for people to observe a lot of things, right? When you get into LinkedIn, when you think that you want to get into Microsoft, for example, right, or IBM, right? When you click on them, or when you click on the manager of IBM, HR manager or zonal manager or whatever product manager or supervisor or the development manager, whenever you click on that, right, they have uploaded their resume, right? When they have uploaded, they would have written few points. It's very important. The roles and responsibility, what are the skills required, right? Go through that, so you will find the person who's already working into that company, what are the skills, right? So this is what the skills they will also look out for the new student or the fresher. The same skills, right? When you go through that, you will able to understand what are the extra skills required and work on that. For IBM, you will find the person already working in the software team of IBM, right? They would have uploaded their resume, right? So when they upload their resume, you will find their roles and responsibilities, what are their additional skills which they have done, right? Or what have they are currently going through. They would have updated even these roles about the new software, right? So that you will be able to understand and analyze that these are the extra skills which will help me into getting into this company, right? So that you prepare on it. This will 100% fine. So other questions?
Guys, don't think about a failure. See, failures
You
will
have
defeat
a lot of
users.
opportunities. Go
But
ahead.
see, like,
Because see, currently you have YouTube channel where you guys can learn a lot of things sitting at home. Or now there are a lot of NGOs also coming out giving free training on digital marketing, right? One of the easiest, right? If you are able to implement this or learn this, if you plan to work into this sector, basically the online sector, right? Doing a small affiliate marketing, which is a part of digital marketing. If you do that, right, get registered. Any person purchasing a product from your link automatically gets an income to you, right? So these kind of marketing is boosting. The online virtual is started more. The online market is started more. The e-commerce also started, right? So you guys can use this opportunity in creating an opportunity, right? So work on this, right? So any questions? Please go ask me. Guys, any questions? How to find out vision, mission, and target in life process on business terms. Life process on business terms See, basically, you need to target. First thing is you need to tell us what industry are you looking at. On that, we can guide you. Because if you can tell us what industry you are looking at, Ajay Shukla sir, then I can tell you about that. Because we need to understand your industry. If you're looking out for software industry, there are different visions. If you're looking out for an HR industry, so your passion for recruiting, understanding the management, understanding the candidate, right? Getting them together. There are a lot of passions like that on the market study, right? So you need to tell us what basically is that, then I can help you out with that. Okay, the other question is I had.
Ajay
Go.
Shukla sir has asked one question. See, sir, like as like for this question, three things is very important. Like one is like the candidate should have a confidence in himself, and more like he should have to acquire the knowledge, hard work, and more stability is very important, and passion is very important. You should have a passion to work towards the industry. That is very important. And it should have a perfect goal. Like for example, if I'm choosing the company, if I'm joining the company, what is my other mindset? What is the other goal within 1 hour or within 6 months? Internal job postings will happen based on the skills, based on his ability, based on his possibilities. Only we will be able to judge a person, or else we will be not able to judge any person either like with vision, mission. This should be having with a candidate who is coming inside the company. So then only it will be helpful as I said.
That's right. Basically, the candidate has to decide which industry he want to get in. According to that, he has to plan. That is more important. So if we be able to get that, then we'll be able to answer more on that. The other questions, guys, go ahead.
And had a 2 year experience in marketing. Can I switch my career as a, yeah, you can switch your career as a web developer, but you should have to concentrate more on Python. Python is very important for becoming a web developer. You should have to keen about your helpful. You can switch on, no issues. So it's going for a web developer as well as software developer. More than 25 startup companies also they've started in Bangalore, where instance IBM as well as the India Tech Park also opening is going on. Even I can share the link also. You people can share your profiles and you can get benefited. Yes, any other questions? Guys, any questions related to programming language or like Java? Any questions, guys? Other than Python, which programming? .NET and Core Java is very important. Sanjay Papu is asking. .NET and Core Java, you should have to focus.
Right. So we have few questions we have answered. In between, I'll just tell you a small story. It's very important for you guys. So I'll just tell you about this. So it's a small story about a poor person, right? Basically, a poor child, right, whose clothes are torn, shoes are torn, right, goes and sits in a park. We are nearby in a park, so he'll be starving with hunger. He'll be going, sitting down near a tree. Opposite to him, there would be a bench. A rich boy would be sitting, basically, right? So the poor boy, seeing the rich boy, right, starts telling himself into his internal or heart, starts giving himself that, oh God, starts scolding God, oh God, why are you going to make me like that? What am I not good person? Why didn't you make me like that? Why didn't you make me rich like that? Right? So he starts telling, oh God, please make me a rich person, please make me instead of that person, that boy, make me that boy, right? So what God does is, for an instance, he told, yes, you go ahead with that. So when he opens his eyes, right, he finds himself sitting at that bench, at the rich boy wherever he was sitting. And the person who was sitting there, right, he was sitting at the near under the tree. But right, that person, right, who just became a poor boy, starts dancing, starts running here and there. The poor boy who became rich, seeing him, thinks that why is he dancing? Why is he smiling? Or why is he running here and there? I have become rich. I should be smiling. I should be dancing. Why him? Right? you know what happens after that? Basically, the driver comes to get a wheelchair. So he didn't know that the rich boy was a paralystic boy, right? What he chose, right? It's simple. He had a lot of things, but he couldn't understand the world. After losing that, he could understand the world. Then he was permanent with it, right? But the rich boy who became the poor, he had everything. It's very simple, right? But this instance, you guys can understand. It's a small story, right? Whatever he had, if he could have utilized that, learned few things, automatically he would have converted a lot of things, right? It's the same thing. That skills, yes. You take additional skills 100%, yes. Not immediately, not tomorrow, but 100% in your future, wherever you get your next promotion, or your next when you join, or when you get to the next profile. Automatically, it will help you in understanding it, right? That will definitely help you out, fine? So you guys gave me ask me a few questions now so that we can help you and we'll start closing with the session. So Manjunath also will guide you on few things on this and later we'll close with the session.
Guys, see, like, listen here, like, see, everyone knows the story of great world famous engineer Saram Vishweshwarya sir. Where instance he was born and brought up in a very small village, as everyone knows, because he's a one first person. As in the initial stage itself, I said all the things. See, he has contributed lot and lot to the society. But some engineer student, when I'm asked a few questions about when we celebrate Engineers Day, in the name of whom we celebrate Engineers Day, the people are not aware. See, when all these things, when I got to know, even I felt ashamed of myself. See, being a graduate or being a postgraduate, if you are not able to gather a basic questions, as I said, like, see, like, some people are don't know which is a national like a food. See, everything is very important. See, we are born in India, in sense we should know about our nation. We should know about history of the things. In Bangalore also, a lot of people who are born and brought up in Bangalore, a lot of poets and all, but we don't know about their history. See, for example, all will speak about Ambani. See, Ambani is not a richest person. He was working in a petrol pump. Then he come up in a life. Even everyone knows about Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a CEO of a Coca-Cola company. Even like he is not a graduate or he is not a like a very like richest person. Then how he came up in a life? That is very important. You should have to like take a role model. See, we all will speak about Vivekananda, but none of the people we are not about knowing about his like when we celebrate Vivekananda birthday, when we celebrate as a youth day, people are not aware. As I said, based on your like skills, whatever you're having, please focus more and more, and general knowledge also is very important. Abbreviations, as I said, it's very very important, guys. Abbreviations, skills, as well as your motto and what you want to do, what is your future. See, like, very simple. The people will not check it out your aggregate, or whether you're coming from a rich family or poor family, whether you got to aggregate 90% or 95%. The people only will focus only skills. That is the reason a lot of skill oriented activities, skill oriented programs has been developed. So I request one and all to not to waste any time in a social media. At least like make use of every day 1 hour do on, like, you can start working from your own thing itself online. Do like you can start working on a Excel. See, advanced Excel also is very important. See, if the people who knows advanced Excel formulas like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, even that candidate also can earn more than 25 to 30 bucks per month. That is not an ordinary task. So I'd like to gain more and more additional skills, as well as don't waste your time in social media or don't comment anything. As I said, like focus more and more your about skills, so then only we'll be able to like come up in your life, or we can build our growth as well as career also. Any questions, guys? Any questions? We have somewhere like 5 minutes left for this session, I think, probably. Any questions
Manju,
you can ask?
there are a few questions come up. I think Sanjay Papa has asked
If
a
you know
question.
front end and back end coding is enough for app development and web development, and we want to do other courses, which are the other course? See, like what all the courses you have done, like whether are you like knowing everything about coding language? See, coding language, instance, it's like over the like phone we can't discuss all the things. Programming language also, because when we got to know from face to face, or like
Basically, as
when you
I
saw
told
people when
Sanjay, basically as I told you, Sanjay, you need to go to some profile. The people who are already working into this, so what they have already developed, there are people, right, who will have already uploaded their resume in a lot of the media, or you can find the LinkedIn. When you find that, you'll automatically understand what are the skills he is used to prepare an app, or what are the coding languages used or additional used. You would have mentioned that, right? So that will help you out. Either you can go with that, and there are other questions that people asked us the link to share to search a job at Corona period. So don't worry, guys. So you guys will have our contact numbers after the session. So there are already
Professor
Go ahead.
Priya will share our contact number as mail ID. Don't need to worry about that, guys.
Right.
See, guys, like some people were asking additional courses about web development as well as app development. So, yeah, I would like to request to work on Python as well as HTML. So, like basically that course is enough. And you can do additional course, as I said, core Java or .NET. Any one of the courses is enough. Not like two courses also is not mandatory.
Same thing, right? Plan according to that. Every day, at least try to give 1 hour, 2 hour in the evening or morning. Learn something new. Use the technology rather than wasting the technology, right? So you have a lot of YouTube. Start this. You can learn your extra skills required. Or the people who have shared their experiences, right? So learn that. That experience will help you out to overcome your more and more question and answer in your life. Right? This is how I do. Right? Same thing. You guys have to plan according to that. Okay, so any other questions? Go ahead. Please ask them.
Guys, another 5 more minutes is left for
Will
the
be any
session. So I
discussion?
request to like audience or like a student friends or dignitary to ask any questions. Even today also I'm a learner. I'm not saying like we have learned all the things, we have the challenges, but what all the knowledge should be shared. Then only the thing is we can also come up in life. Even other people also will come up in a life. Don't about a negative impact. See, people will say about like one coin has two faces. See, every company has a negative impact. Every person has a negative image also. So I'd like to concentrate only of the possibilities as well as opportunities, how you can grab up. That is very important. Nowadays, a lot of opportunities are getting because education qualification doesn't matter, guys. As per my knowledge, only skills matters for anything. Either if you want to enter like if you want to become a software developer or if you want to be an engineer, the only one main criteria is skills. If you are not able to develop our skills, we are going to kill our own nation, guys. That is the reason these people have said one beautiful word. Indians are not born to rule. There has to be. Why? Because of our like behavior itself. The people they have said. Even for each and everything, you should to go through the, as Prakash said, you have to go through all the analytics. You should to more and more like focus on your programming language. You can start working. Even everyone has even everyone has the Android side. So start focusing on that. So opportunities will get. Don't think about a negative impact, anything. The people you have been lose, you don't need to worry about. See, losers like as a defeat, like winners can enter every time. So like I request you to use a proper time. In the pandemic, we have a lot of time which is there. So utilize all these things, make use this thing, and I have to thanks on all for all dignitaries as student friends as well as audience been joined a wonderful session. You have been listening for our words for like half an hour, 2 hours, and I'm going signing out. Thanks a lot for all the faculty people, Jay Kumar, principal, as well as Priya for giving an opportunity to share our skills and friends, your students. Prakash would like to say anything. Well, let me sign out because now that is getting out. It's like 11:58, I think. Prakash.
Disconnecting at 12 o'clock. That's fine. So there's one question: can I do online internship for this pandemic? Yes, guys. You now would have thought that you will get work from home opportunities, right? This pandemic has brought an opportunity, right? So you can make utilize of it. So you guys go ahead. If you're getting such internship program, go ahead. You can join that, right? Apart from that, as I told you, link you guys can have already so many. You have job portals. You can get into that, or we have a huge media, or we have huge network. I am Manjunath, where we know almost about 2,000 plus companies in Bangalore, right? So we will share you those job postings which they do in our groups, and we have ourselves have more than 15 to 20 groups which we handle with all the companies, right? So wherever we get the postings, we'll be able to help you in that way also. But try also getting into the job portal, register yourself so that you will start getting your notification. And it's very easy for an HR as he will pick up from that, right? So I'll also be signing out. Fine. So this is Prakash. You guys can take our contact numbers and whatever you have any questions anytime in your life, you guys can ask us. We are always there. We will 100% be able to guide you, and we'll be able to. Okay. So I'm signing out for this Prakash show.
Thank you, sir. I thank both the speakers for the wonderful talk. Now we have come to the end of the session. So on behalf of the management, the institution and the organizers, I thank speakers of today's webinar, Mr. Prakash B and Mr. Manjunath, for enthralling the audience with their talk. And I'm thankful to Professor Vijay Kumar AS, Coordinator, Department of BCA, for successfully organizing the webinar. And I thank all the faculty members of Department of BCA for helping to organize this webinar. The response that we have got for this webinar was overwhelming, and it is your active participation which motivates us to conduct more webinars. So I want to thank all the participants for making this webinar a success. Feedback link will be it is already posted in the chat box, so you can check the feedback link. And all the participants, once you give feedback in the e-certificate mail, you will be getting the registration of the next webinar. Our next webinar is on UI and UX design on 24th August, 11 a.m. So you will get the registration link in the feedback mail. So please do that. So I thank one and all. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for the complete students of the KLE College, the placement officers, the principal who have supported to get us to come to the students, speak to them, guide them, understand them, so that it's very easy for them as well as the college to getting good results, right? So signing out, thanks, this is Prakash.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So thank you for all the data. Once again, even having out, there is Manjunath Raj here.
Okay, sir.